Let's solve together. How can I label the parts and whole in this number sentence? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should label the blank or the missing number as a part and 435 as a part. That means 601 is our whole because we're putting the parts together to find the whole. Now how can I put these numbers into the number bond? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should put 601 in the center, 435 in one of the parts, and a question mark or a letter to show that we're missing a part. Nice job. Let's first solve using flat sticks and dots. How can I set this problem up to solve? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should draw 6 flats, 0 tens, and 1 dot. Now let's subtract starting in the ones place. How many ones do we need to subtract? Say it out loud. Right, 5 ones. But we only have 1. What do we do if there are not enough ones? Say it out loud. Right, we regroup a 10. But we don't have any 10s. So what do we do if there are not enough 10s to subtract? Say it out loud. Right, we regroup 100. Let's do it. First, I'll cross off the flat, or the 100. I'll draw my arrow to the tens place, and draw 10 tens. Count 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we still don't have enough ones to subtract. So what do we need to do, and how can we show it? Say it out loud. Right, we need to regroup one of those 10s into 10 ones. Count 10 ones with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's subtract our 5 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 10s do we need to subtract? Say it out loud. Right, 3 10s. Let's do it. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. How many hundreds should we subtract? Say it out loud. Right, 4 hundreds. Let's do it. Count with me. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s. Now let's count what's left, starting in the hundreds place. Count with me. 100. Now the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our missing part is, right, 166. Nice work. Now let's solve the same problem using expanded notation. How can we set the problem up to solve? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should write 600 plus 0 plus 1 minus 400 plus 30 plus 5. Nice work. Now let's subtract starting in the ones place. We have 1 1. Can we take away 5 ones? I bet you said no. So what do we need to do and how can we show it? Say it out loud. I bet you said we need to regroup a 10 into 10 ones. But look, we don't have any 10s. So what can we do so that we have some 10s that we can regroup into 10 ones? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we need to regroup 100 into 10 tens. Let's do it. We have 600. What is 100 less than 600? Right, 500. Now we need to take that 100 that we just regrouped into tens and add it to the tens place. We had 0 tens. We're adding our 10 tens, and now we have a value of 100. But we still don't have any ones. So what do we need to do, and how can we show it? Say it out loud. Right, we can regroup one of those 10s into 10 ones and add it to the 1 1 we already have. Let's do it. What is 10 less than 100? Right, 90. And what is 1 1 plus 10 ones? Right, 11 ones. Now let's subtract. 11 ones minus 5 ones is? Good, 6 ones. 90 minus 30 is? Great, 60. And 500 minus 400 is? 100. Nice job. What's our missing part? Say it out loud. You got it, 166. Take a look at the work that we did. What did we do when we had 0 tens and we didn't have enough ones to subtract? Say your answer out loud. I bet you said that if there are 0 tens and we don't have enough ones to subtract, first we have to regroup 100 into 10 tens so that then we can regroup a 10 into 10 ones. Nice job.